Hello viewers, tutorial 2 question 6, and we have a log equation to solve here. We also have an excerpt from the formula sheet. If y equals a to the x, then x equals log base a of y. Now that formula we can actually consider to be the definition of the logarithm. So at present we've got something in x equals log base a of y form. We want to write it in y equals a to the x form. But before we do so, what is our a? There's no a given in the original question. Well, the log button on our calculator assumes that it is log base 10, which means that if there is no base given in a log equation like this, we'll assume it's 10. So we've got log base 10 of x plus 3 equals 1. So we've got a equals 10. So if we write it in y equals a to the x form, we've got a equals 10. And what's y? Y is what's inside the brackets after the logarithm, which is x plus 3. In this form, that's on the other side of the equation. And x is on its own on the right hand side here. So that is going to be converting into this form the power. So therefore the equation becomes x plus 3 equals 10 to the power of 1. So therefore 10 to the power of 1 gives us 10. And if we subtract 3 from both sides, our answer is x equals 7. Question B, we have another log equation to solve. We've got log of 2x minus 1 equals negative 2. Again, no base given in a log equation. Assume that that is 10. We want to write that in the form of y equals a to the x. So a is 10. Now your x is your power, which is going to be negative 2. And on the other side of the equation you've got 2x minus 1. Okay, so 10 to the negative 2 is 0.01 equals 2x minus 1. And if we move the 1 to the other side, we get 2x equals 1.01. And if we divide that by 2, we get x equals 1.01 divided by 2, which is 505. Okay, question C. So again we have no base given in our log equation, so we'll assume that that's 10. So our a is 10. Our power of the 10 is going to be 0. And that will be equal to 7x minus 6 is the y. Okay, so what is 10 to the power of 0? That's 1, because any number that's to the power of 0 is 1, with 0 being an exception that we need not worry about here. Okay, so we've got 7x minus 6 equals 1. So if we move the 6 to the other side, we get 7x equals 7, and dividing by 7 gives us a solution of x equals 1. Okay, thanks for watching. Over and out.